Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the Rexington V1 Basic Dash Cam, and we're going to be doing the unboxing today. Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the Rexington V1 Basic Dash Cam, and we're going to be doing the unboxing today. On the bottom of the box, it does give you some value information. Unfortunately, they put one of their product placement stickers on there, which covers some of the information you need to review the specifications. But on the second line, you can see it does have a 170-degree wide-angle lens. It's 1600 megapixels. You can also see it's a 1080p Full HD, or you can switch it to 720p Full HD, but I always like to set it to the highest rating. The memory card slot supports the maximum of 128 gigabytes. Now you can install a lower micro SD card, but the maximum you put, the more space you'll have to record videos. Because once you get into your G sensor, it's going to be locking some videos. You're not going to have room to support the loop recording. Now if you need more information on G sensor or loop recording, subscribe to my channel and look for the playlist on this. And I'll also put a link up here for you. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Now the first thing you see is the safety guide, safety specifications for the dash cam. And it is in English as well. Now next you have is the V1 Basic Quick Start Guide, which gives you some information on the specifications of the dash cam itself, what you get, and what each button really means, and how to mount the dash cam. And then you also get an 18-month extended warranty with it, and it gives you a QR code to get all the information you need. Now the first thing we're going to see here is the dash cam itself. The dash cam is 3.5 inches long, 2.25 inches wide, and in the side it's 1.5 inches. Now it is a discreet design that you could put under your rear view mirror, but it is a pretty thick device as well. Now here you have your mode button for picture mode, video mode, or playback mode. Then you have your record button or back button. You also have your OK button. And here you have your mic button to turn it off and on, and is your forward button. And lastly you have is your screen button. Here you have your micro SD card slot. Next is you have your power button. Next to that you have your reset button. And then next to that you'll have your menu button. Now this here is the lever to turn the lens in the front. Now remember, the lens does has a protective screen on there, so make sure you take that out prior to installation or prior to turning it on for the first time. Now here you could move the lens up and down with this lever, and you can hear that snap. If you notice on the knob, it has an indentation here, and what that's telling you is that where this knob is turning, the screen is turning at the same time with it, so you know exactly where the screen is at when you turn this. Alright, now let's get to the other side. On the right side you have the power port, which is a mini USB port. Then next to it you have the GPS port if you purchase the optional GPS sensor on there. On the left side of that you have the rear camera port. Now this dash cam does not come with the rear camera. Now don't think you could purchase a rear dash cam and you could install it into this slot. There are several rear dash cameras and they all come with different ports. Now most of them are a 3.5mm port, but they all have different settings on it, where you cannot install one dash cam, rear dash cam, to another dash cam. It won't work. So just letting you know, this is an optional thing. Get with the manufacturer if you want to install a rear dash cam. Then on the bottom you have the port where the dash cam mounts go into. Alright, moving along. The next thing we're going to have is the power cable itself. Let's take a look at this. What I like about this cord so far, it is a thick cable, And it has a 90-degree port on it. It is a mini USB cable. But with the 90-degree port, when you're installing your dash cam, it helps you with the cable management of this device to where your cable is going straight to the rear view mirror and the headliner. So this is a great feature to this. And the cable is thick in case for any extreme temperatures in the hot or cold inside the vehicle. Next, you also have a mini USB cable. Now this cable is optional for you, where you can install one end to your dash cam and the other end to your laptop if you want to take one to your vehicle and download the videos from there, or take it inside and connect it to your desktop computer. Now you really don't need this cable to download files. You could simply just take the micro SD card and put in an adapter and then plug into your computer. Now, if you need more information on how to transfer files from your dash cam to your computer, I'll put a link up here for you for that purpose. Now, the next thing we're going to have is these cable management clips. And these, what they do is you put them against the headliner on the window shield and it'll route your wires to where you need to go. But if you subscribe to my channel already, you'll see that we don't use these. Everything is hidden within the headliner and the A-pillar, B-pillar. Now, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos, because depending on what kind of vehicle you have, it may be different from the installation that I'll be installing this dash cam on. So I got multiple videos on how to install a dash cam. And the next thing you're going to have is actually, which is pretty neat, you're going to have two mounting tabs for the dash cam, where you can install one in one vehicle, one in the other, in case you're moving your dash cam back and forth. Not sure why you would do that unless you have a fleet that you need to interchange these dash cams, or you just have a spare one. So this is pretty neat. I like this. And of course, with this you also have two 3M mounting tabs itself. You take each one off on the side, put it on this mount, and then put it on your window shield, and this will stay. Now it will stay where it won't move. You have a good adhesive on the window shield and here, but when it's time to take this off, you don't worry about it. Everything will come off. There's not going to be adhesive left on the window shield. So this is neat, where it gives you two tabs with that too, and two mounting tabs as well. Next, you have this upholstery guide here. All right, this helps you tuck in the wires into your A-pillars, your headliner, and so forth. So, because most of the time when you're installing, sometimes your hand gets dirty, or sometimes your fingernails or fingers are not small enough where you need to put something in there. So this is going to help you. This is a very nice feature. So, and then once you're done, keep this. You might need this at another time for other installations or something different. So this is pretty neat. All right, let's go ahead and plug in this dash cam and see how it works. All right, the last thing we got to do is turn this camera on. So I got my mini USB cable, going to connect it to the side on the charging port. There it goes, it's turning on, and it says please insert SD card. So that we know it works. Now just remember, it does have a protective screen. That's why you see a little blue covering. It's because the lens has a protective covering also. I do not want to take this off until I'm done with the installation. But just by the camera itself, you could see how it's going there. And you can see my hand on the screen moving back and forth. So this is pretty neat. It does work. And here you can see the mode button. There it goes, no file to review. Well, the Rexine dashcam powers up with no problems. If this video was helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up, because you know I appreciate that from you. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos, because I'm also going to have the install video and the review video about this camera. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. All the products will be linked in the description down below to purchase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.